Hi, Charlie. Come here, Charlie. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, Charlie. Good boy. What a good boy you are, Charlie. Good boy. Well, you checked me out anyway.
Kids all have, I think, high...
I can't keep up with Charlie. 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 Again. Oh, he's a good boy.
Good boy.
He's getting treats. He's like, I sit for treats.
You down? No down? Down?
No. Charlie back again. He doesn't like to be taped. He likes to be petted though. Very outgoing, isn't he?
It's very soft.
Curly. He's got curly fur.
Here's a